Turning to weather, it is a day where we do want to be very weather aware because we're talking about some potentially serious storms coming our way later.
Yeah, and we will have some severe storms. Doesn't mean everybody will see severe weather today, but yes, that potential is certainly there as we've been talking about. So we are calling this again a weather alert day here across North Texas. Taking you out to Dallas Baptist University right now, 75 degrees. Those winds gusting out of the south, 25 miles per hour right now. So it's warm, it is humid. So we do have everything, all the ingredients there for that potential for some severe storms a little bit later today. Now here's the severe weather outlook for your Monday. And what's changed from yesterday, you see that enhanced risk. It does include a little bit more of the Metroplex now coming down into Collin and Rockwall County. So that's where that tornado risk is going to be a little bit higher as we head toward midday on into the afternoon. And you see that slight risk over the rest of North Texas, including Dallas and Tarrant counties here as well. So again, all modes of severe weather will be possible today. The damaging winds and the tornado threat a little bit higher across the area as we go through the day today. So as we look at the main concerns, large hail kind of on the lower scale, but you see the damaging wind and tornado threat going to be a little bit higher today. Could see some locally heavy rain as well in some places. So I think some localized flooding, flash flooding can't be ruled out with some heavier downpours that we will likely see. So drive for the morning commute, but that will be different if you're heading out for lunch a little bit later today, and certainly when we come home here this afternoon. So you can see that the powerful upper low out across New Mexico and Arizona kind of driving everything. So we'll have that dry line, those thunderstorms firing up along that, and eventually a front working its way across the area. As we zoom in onto North Texas, we have the ongoing showers and storms out well to the west now. Some isolated activity kind of scattered about as into far east Texas out over the Architecture region. But looking at our timecast going through the day, again, start to be weather aware around 10, 11 o'clock here this morning across the maybe the western parts of the Metroplex, and then those start to blossom a little bit more as we head toward lunchtime today, with that severe weather threat increasing as we head toward lunchtime. That continues for that drive home. We'll have scattered showers and storms probably around the time you're picking the kids up from school. So again, make sure you do have a way to get the warnings that we will likely see a little bit later today. Here's 5 p.m. Widespread showers and thunderstorms across the area. And then as we head towards 7, 8 o'clock tonight, that begins to push off to the south and east. So yes, we will have that potential again for those severe storms that will taper off overnight. But then as you're heading out tomorrow morning, there will be some scattered showers, I think, around for the early part of tomorrow. But we should be clearing out, I think, pretty quickly as we go through the day. So we'll have some sunshine for tomorrow afternoon. So if you haven't voted yet, no reason not to a little bit later in the day. All right, here's that 14-day forecast for you. Again, strong severe thunderstorms today. We will have a break from the rain and storms probably later in the day on Tuesday, heading into Wednesday, but then showers and storms back in the forecast as we head toward the end of the week. And you see those temperatures will be in the low and mid 70s.